Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me guys. You're welcome. So I'm up with this eyebrow tutorial guys. For this eyebrow tutorial, first I'm using my eyebrow gel again Esther in light toffee to outline my eyebrows. So guys, I just love using this gel. It's so original. Like it just gives you that snatched eyebrow. So I would use it to outline my eyebrow like you're seeing here. So guys, when outlining your eyebrow is something you don't need to rush. You just need to take all your time guys. You need to take all your time when drawing your eyebrow, because like that's the most important part of your makeup. You don't want to be with an eyebrow that's not on flick guys. So you just take your time and outline your eyebrows and conceal your brows and make sure that there is no stone left unturned in the eyebrow game guys. So you can see I'm just outlining my eyebrows and filling it up with my Eyebrow eyebrow gel, eyebrow pomade. So guys, like I said, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and please like this video and tell me what you feel about it guys. So I'm concealing the eyebrow now after outlining with my brow gel. Oh guys, I'm so tired. Just came back from work. Just have to upload this video. Just have to edit this video and upload it. So guys, you can see how I'm concealing my eyebrows. I'm just cleaning it up with my concealer, and for concealer I'm using this Ferrarishi palette to conceal my eyebrow, to clean my eyebrow up guys. So guys, all the products I'll be using, I'm going to drop a link down in the description box so guys you can check them out to see what I used for this. And I have other detailed eyebrow tutorial. I have stroke brows tutorial. You like to watch it guys. So for the other eye, I'm doing same thing I did. I'm just cleaning it up with the concealer, and I use the concealer palette Ferrarishi guys. This concealer palette has all the shades for every skin tone. So guys, I'm just using that concealer to clean up my eyebrows guys. Like I said before, when doing your brows you need to be patient. You need to take your time so you don't have any crooked line guys. So after doing that, I'll still go back to my pomade, to my Esther gel, just to make sure that the brows are very sharp at the edges, like everything it's sharp and very flawless. So, and I'll make sure that any part that needs to be filled should be filled finally guys. So that's what I do. Even when I do a brows, when it's not very much on flick, I come back with my eyebrow gel and I try to sharpen it to make it very. You can see how I'm doing it right here. I'm just sharpening it so it looks better guys. So guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm Chi Makeover on Instagram. on Facebook, I'm Chi Makeover, and I'll really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me, guys. You know I love you guys. So this is like 4 years of my experience. I'm just putting it up in a video for you, just to make sure you get your brows snatched regularly, guys. And don't forget to watch my other videos, guys. I love you, and I'll catch you in my other video.